Thank you very much, Bu Rosita. I'll try to make it very short in 10 minutes. First of all, I introduce, I'm come from Indonesian Port Corporation too. This is state-owned company. We operating 12 ports in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are 17,000 islands. And from those islands, there are around 2,200 ports. From 200 to 2,200 ports, 114 of them managed by state-owned company. So in case of Indonesian Port Corporation 2 or IPC, we manage 12 ports in Indonesia. You can see that this is the our ports here. From this situation, of course, we can see that mostly the type of cargo in Indonesia is destination. We have very small number of transshipment. So the challenge is in Indonesia because of the distance between ports is long. So the transit, the in this COVID area, in COVID, because this is the COVID-19 pandemic, most of the province that we manage in 10 province, they lock the area. So if we want to go to somewhere, or the technician come to one province to another province in the airport, this will be quarantine around 14 days at least. So this is the challenge when the trouble happen in one area. This is a little bit difficult to deal with the government in the local government. So this is okay. We already developed by internal our system that we using remote crane management and monitoring system, and also we use also a remote ship condition management system, because as you see that Indonesian Port Corporation too, we provide port operation, and we serve also ship services like tugboat and pilotage. So we provide also tugboat. Therefore, we develop remote ship condition monitoring system that with 4 target to know in the process first equipment status, and then equipment performance, and energy consumption, and fault alarm. I see from the previous speaker, Mr. Lux, that the Navy is providing very advanced in the dashboard is very useful. In our case, we just develop ourselves in very minimal feature are available. So in case of COVID-19 pandemic, of course there are two conditions appear. First, financial and technical impact. The second one is social impact. I think the social impact, is almost the same in every area: local self-quarantine, restriction of movement, and the impact is lack of maintenance staff availability in every our branch. Therefore, we did what we call remote checking command with the any device can we see. So the local technician still carry out the fix equipment if there is a trouble. And the other thing is financial and technical impact, that because of the volatility of currency exchange, especially in rupiah against US dollar, that the increasing of spare part is really happen in the process. So mostly the seller or the distributor is a little bit regret to sell their the parts. And the lack of available in market store because some part also we just rely on the existing inventory. In our case, of course, direct contact to spare parts store owner take a longer time, so direct contact to spare parts sole distribution or against slightly more expensive. So avoiding purchase of the original equipment manufacturer as the impact of our country lockdown policy. Now, the interesting thing that Indonesian Port Corporation 1, 2, 3, and 4, we already set up what we call electronic inventory management system. We just developed around 6 months ago that the platform is provide of 12,000 items of port spare part. Yeah, at the moment we just share procurement and inventory limited to oil, wire rope, tire, and filter. But we do hope in the future we can extend our number of database and inventory together in the among ports. So far, we already integrated in 80 ports between Indonesian Port Corporation 1, 2, 3, and ports. So I think as a conclusion, I think that we have to thinking about the remote culture. The new culture is remote culture. The second thing that implementation of remote control maintenance system is a must in the future. And in our case, because we stay on company, we can integrate our procurement and inventory. Integration on inventory and procurement should be extended and established in 114 ports, so we can easily to find any parts of equipment. If there's trouble, we can just borrow from another ports inventory and others. The last thing that remote checking comment nowadays is one aspect that can be done in this time. Okay, maybe thank you very much for your attention. I return back to you, Ibu Rosita.